Hi gorgeous, how are you? So I have here another advent calendar by Essence. This one retails for 25 euros and it contains 24 full-size products. It is a DIY advent calendar and the packaging is super cute. It says Santa inspected and also checked twice. It is pretty heavy. I'm very excited to unbox it with you. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. I'm posting videos every week. And let's start with this one. I'm very curious what we have. Ooh, so pretty. We have some beautiful stickers and also the paper bags. They have the same design with the box of the advent calendar. And we have all of the products here. I'm not gonna look. And the first product is a mascara. This one is a 24 Defined Volume Mascara. And this was released, I believe, 2 years ago. I have also tried it on my YouTube channel. And we also have a big spoolie. So most likely that's why I never bought it again. And we have here a black mascara. So door number 2 is a nail polish. I was speechless for some reason. So this is the Shine, Last and Go Gel Nail Polish in the shade 9 Step in Time. It's not very Christmassy, but I think it's very nice to wear all the time. This shade can look nice on a lot of skin tones. In door number 3, we have press-on nails. Yeah, so these are the French manicure click and go nails, classic style. You can apply these on your nails with stickers, not with glue. I'm not going to open it because these are not gonna fit my nail. They are very small. Door number 4. What is this? Another mascara. Okay, yeah. And these were released at the same time. I have used them both on my channel. And we have here the 24 Bold Volume Mascara. This is how the applicator is. We have a smaller one and this one has plastic bristles. And this one contains plant ingredients like rice wax, hemp seed, jojoba, and almond oil. One more full size. I'm curious if these mascaras are discontinued. And door number 5 is a skincare product. Yeah. And we have here the Hello Good Stuff 3-in-1 face mist to hydrate, fix and refresh with watermelon extract. Okay, I'm very curious to sniff this. I love watermelon scented products. Oh, it smells so good. The Hello Good Stuff products were released 2 years ago. I think they are discontinued now. I'm not so sure about the skincare, but the makeup products definitely. I'm hoping that we also have latest releases in this advent calendar. Door number 6. And this is the This Is Me lipstick in the shade 22 Cheerful. I have definitely swatched this one. I'm curious if it is discontinued, so let's check it. I couldn't find it on their website, and let's swatch it. This is a very beautiful shade. It is like pinkish lavender. It can look beautiful on lighter complexions. For deeper, you can use it on the center of the lips to give an ombre effect. Door number 7. What is this? And we have here the 24/7 hand cream and mask with ginseng, ultra moisturizing, everyday care, overnight treatment. You can also use cotton gloves with this hand cream. Okay, it smells really nice. The last couple of months I'm not using a lot of hand creams and I need to start again. My hands feel rough. Moving on to door number 8. Oh, we have a little palette. So this one is the I Like to Mauve It eyeshadow palette. I have tried it again. It was released almost 2 years ago or last year, and I actually like this eyeshadow palette. I'm going to bring mine so I can swatch it. I'm back and let's swatch it now. These are the shades that we have, and this is a color story. It is gorgeous. It works very well for cool toned eye looks. Even though this one looks like a mini palette, it is actually a full size. And let's find door number 9. It is the Shine, Last and Go Gel Nail Polish in the shade 74 Lilac Vibes, and it is super pretty. I need to shake mine because you can see here the color concentrated. Essence nail polishes can last up to 2 weeks, 10 days. Of course, you need to apply base coat and top coat. The colors of the nail polishes are not wintry or Christmassy. Okay. After that, door number 10. This is the Brighten Up Banana Powder in the shade 10 Banana. Banana. This is a matte face powder that you can use to highlight the face and also for baking. Door number 11 now. Ooh, it's another palette. So this one is the Bronzed This Way eyeshadow palette. I also have this, so just a sec. Here it is. And these are the eyeshadows. It is the typical bronzy brown color story. We have a nice variety of matte and shimmery eyeshadows. And also the packaging is so travel friendly. We have a little mirror. It's a very good size to have with you in your purse, in your travel bag. And let's continue with door number 12. Wow, I really like this color. This is the Shine Last and Go gel nail polish in the shade 48 Heat Zone. I really like this. It is so fallish. I actually want to do a fall inspired makeup look, so most likely I'm gonna have something like this one on my nails. I'm going to use it with a golden nail polish. Maybe we have one in the advent calendar. And door 13 is super cute. And these are the concealer sponges for precise application. And you can use this basically on the eyes or around the nostrils. We have 3 little sponges. They are adorable. Door 14. One more nail polish. Why? So this is the Shine Last and Go gel nail polish in the shade 46 Black is Back. I don't have a lot of black nail polishes. I like it, and you can also use it with the orangey pumpkin one. Up next, door 15. We have some nail stickers. Go for Gold. This can look super nice with the black nail polish and also this pumpkin. I like that they are almost flat, so they're not gonna be easily removed. Door 16. Why? This is the Shine Last and Go. We know the name. Gel nail polish in the shade 77 Deep Sea Baby. And it is gorgeous, very nice shade. I don't think I have something similar. It is very moody. I really like it, even though I don't need more nail polishes from this advent calendar, but the color is gorgeous. The variety is going down the drain with this advent calendar. Door 17. Oh, it's an eyeliner. This is the Easy Brush Liner in the shade 1 Black. And we have a brush tip applicator. It had a fiber. I have tried a lot of eyeliners by Essence. I think this one has a shiny finish. It has a little bit of sheen. I'm going to let it dry, and in a few doors we're gonna see if it is completely black. Following that, door number 18. It's another nail polish. Why? So this one is in the shade 78 Orange Skies. It is adorable, a very nice color for every skin tone. And this one is the nail polish number 6. This is enough. I hope we don't get more. And okay, door 19. Oh, lipstick. So this one is the This Is Me lipstick semi matte in the shade 25 Lovely. Finally, another product. Let's see this lovely color. Ooh, it's so pretty. It looks like a dusty pink. It is super creamy. It has a very nice opacity. This can go better for a lighter complexion. And let's go now to the eyeliner. Okay, it's completely dry now. And we have a shiny finish. And this lipstick is also discontinued, at least in Germany. Maybe you can still find it in other countries. And moving on to door 20. We have one more nail polish. and it is in the shade 70 Sunset Lover. It is so pretty, but I don't think I can match it with any other color. Maybe with the other pink. Yeah, this is not the shade that I usually use because it's very light for me. This shade can look very nice on deeper complexions. And next, door 21. Oh my god. Another nail product. This one is the Extreme Last Base Coat. We don't say no to long-lasting base coats. We say no to more nail products. Essence has nice base coats. So, door 22. Oh no. Why? So this is a different type of nail polish. It is the Clean and Strong nail polish with 86% natural ingredients. And this is in the shade 1 Pink Clouds. It is sheer. And this was released, I believe, 2 years ago. Or 3 years ago. FYI, so most probably it is discontinued. You know, let's see on their website. Yep, I can't find it on their website, so I'm right. Door 23, one more lipstick. This is my lipstick in the shade 21 Charming in semi-matte. Let's see what is the color. It is darker at least. And we have a mauve shade. It is gorgeous. It has a very nice creamy formula. And let's find door 24. It is the Soft Precise Lip Pencil in the shade 25 Lovely. Let's swatch it and see if we can use it with the lipsticks of the Advent calendar. It is blendable and I really like these lip pencils by Essence. If you're looking for something affordable, you can definitely try these. And I'm gonna give this Advent calendar 3.5 stars because we have a lot of discontinued products and also a lot of nail products. I'm not happy with this Advent calendar. Let me know your thoughts about it. And you can watch next the Catrice Advent calendar here. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!